Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sri's Easy Solutions. Please follow my videos like order introduction, part 1, part 2 and so on. In this video, I am going to solve examples based on partnership. The given question is, Reena and Shalu are partners in a business. Reena invests 35,000 for 8 months and Shalu invests 42,000 for 8 months. Out of total profit 31,570. Here the first question is Reena's share is. We have to find Reena's share. We know the formula. Profit of Reena divided by profit of Shalu equal to investment of Reena into time period of Reena divided by investment of Shalu into time period of Shalu. So, what is the investments of Reena? 35,000 for 8 months. So, 35,000 into 8 months divided by what is the investments of Shalu? 42,000 for 10 months. So, 42,000 into 10 months. So, here 3 zeros will get cancelled. 2 4s are 2 5s are 7 5s are 7 6s are 5 5 will get cancelled. 2 3s are 2 2s are equal to 2 by 3. The ratio of Reena and Shalu is 2:3. This is the investments of ratio of the profit ratio will get divided among in these ratios 2:3 ratio. The total profit is 31,000 total profit. 31,570. This is the total profit. We have to find Reena's share. How many parts are there? Reena and Shalu invest 5 parts. So, 31,570 divided by 5 is equal to 5 6 ja, 5 3 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja. 6314 is the one part. So, Reena's share is 2 parts. Reena's share is 2 parts. So, this is the one part. How much? 2 parts equal to 12,628 is the Reena's share. So, option B is the Reena's share. Coming to the second question in the same, what is the difference between the shares of profit of Reena and Shalu? Friends, here no need to find, here we know the, I take another color, here we know the each one part share. So, this is the Reena's share. Here we don't find again Shalu share. That is 6314 into 3 parts belongs to the Shalus. From this answer, we have to subtract this, then we will get the difference. But no need to do again these all calculations. What is the difference here? In their ratio, the difference is only one part. 3 minus 2 equal to 1 part. So, what is the value of 1 part? 6314 is the 1 part value. So, answer option B is the answer. Friends, here no need to calculate Reena's share and Shalu's share, and from that Shalu's share we have to subtract Reena's share, then only we get difference. No need to do all these calculations. Why? Because we know one part, share of one part. Here total 5 parts. One part share is 6,314 rupees. The difference is one part. So the answer is 6,314 rupees. Option B is the answer here. Coming to the another question. Here, Arun, Kamal and Vinay invested 8,000, 4,000 and 8,000 rupees respectively. Arun left after 6 months. If after 8 months there was a gain of 4,005 rupees, then what will be the share of Kamal? Here, profit is inversely proportional to profit is directly proportional to the investment into time period. So here Arun, Kamal and one second friends. The profit of Arun is to profit of Kamal is to profit of Vinay equal to investment of Arun into time period of Arun is to investment of Kamal into time period of Kamal is to investment of Vinay into time period of Vinay. So here investment of Arun is 8,000 into what is the time period? Here only Arun left after 6 months. Only he spent the money in his investment is only for 6 months. So 6 is to investment of Kamal is 4,000 rupees. If after 8 months there was a gain, so they closed their business after 8 months. So Kamal invested his amount 8 months is to investment of Vinay is 8,000. He also invested for 8 months. So writing this is very important friends. Don't confuse here. See here Arun, Kamal and Vinay invested 8,000 rupees. And also one more thing is reading the question is very important. Sometimes at the end of the question, at the gain of at the end of the 1 year or sometimes 2 years, sometimes 3 years, their gain is depending on their time of investments. So forming this equation is very important. So Arun left after 6 months. So Arun only invests his amount for 6 months. After 8 months, they close their business. So the gain is 4,005 rupees. So Kamal and Vinay is invested for 8 months. So here 3 zeros will get cancelled. 8 1 ja 1 ja 8 1 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja 2 3 ja. So their investment ratios are 3:2:4. How many parts are there? Total 9 parts. So the total profit is 4,005 rupees divided among 9 parts, that equal to 9 4s are 9 4s are 9 5s are 1 part equal to 445. We have to find share of Kamal. This is the share of Kamal. So 445 into 2 is 890. Option A is the answer.